My girl, my girl, my girl, my girl, you know.
All right, hey guys. Well, we're out in the shop. Got the Corvette. I'm going to switch out the tires today. I've got the racing tires on there now. I'm going to loosen all the wheels, jack the car up, take each wheel off and get the tires on. So I'm just going to go start getting this done now. On the Corvette here, each one of these wheels is torqued to a certain wheel spec. So we'll do that when we put them back on again. On the other side now. All right. Do the last one here, and then we'll get the car jacked up in the air. All right. I think for today's little chore, I have the floor jack. I'm just going to put it up underneath there, lift the car up, get the wheels off. I'm not even going to put the jack stands underneath. I just want to swap them out pretty quickly. So that's what we're going to do here. Get this one off. Okay, well, I've got the back switched now, and I'm going to let the car back down in the back, and I'm going to retorque the wheels back on properly. I'm going to bring the jack over to the side here because I got to jack it up from the side of the car at the puck underneath the front door there. All right, I'll let that sit. All right, let's torque these up. It's 90 foot-pounds. So I go over it once to do a quick, about a 40-pounder, and then I go back and I do the full 90. Okay, back end is completed. Nice. All right. All right, so the back end is converted back into its street form, and I'm gonna switch over the fronts now, and I'll be back in just a moment. Okay, I'm going to take the tire off now. Big old slicks here. Yeah, these are the old racing tires. Alright. Put them down. Alright, get the rest of these on. Alright, well, let's go through. We'll go through a torque pattern here. Let's get them a little bit tight here. You just go around and you skip every other one in a star form. Alright, now I'll torque them. I'll do the same on the other side. Okay, guys, well, that's it for today. This is, we're just trying to get the car back ready for the state inspection. It's due up at the end of this month, and that's in a couple of days. I have an inspection for Friday morning, so I'm going to go out Friday morning, and hopefully the weather's good. I'll just take it out, get it over there, get the inspection on there, and bring her on back and get to work. Thank you. Bye.